Hello friends. So in the last lecture we have a very good overview of a Jira tool as a whole. In this lecture we will be taking this create section as it is the main section of the Jira account. So currently I have been logged in as an administrator. So first of all let me show you how we can invite other users in our account. So I have to use site administration and use this user management, and let me give this name as a developer, and email I have this my old email. I will use this. Okay, and create user. Okay, and let me click on this. Okay, and okay, that's fine. So I must have received in my account from Jira. So it says sign up to join. So let me log out from my account. Okay, so that this developer can open an account in Jira. So it's asking my full name. Full name is appautomator@gmail.com. Choose a password. Okay. I am not a robot. Yes, I am not. And sign up. I want the English language, and it's asking me to choose an avatar, and so next. So what I want to do, I want to, let's say, explore the current project. Yep. So let's say sample project. So now I have been logged in as a developer, and you will see there are no settings option available here because I am a developer, not an admin. Let me go to my Jira dashboard. So I don't have any issues assigned to me. Yes, because I have created an account just now, so no issues is assigned, and this is the activity, that is the feed section, right? And we have to start with create. So when I click on create, first is the project. Currently as a developer, I have been assigned to two projects, that is Scrum sample project and Kanban sample projects. So we will work with Scrum sample project. I have already shared that what's the difference between epic, bug, task and story. So first of all, let's make an epic. Epic name, a short name would be UI, or let's say Epic 1 for easy memorizing it. Summary for Epic 1. And here you can give the description, fixed version, that in which version this epic would go. Let's say version 1. The priority, it's the priority of an epic. Let's say it is the highest priority. Labels are for to easily distinguish. For example, nowadays you are doing testing. You are doing testing on mobile devices. Now if you're working on Android or iPhone devices, there can be n number of devices in comparison to their versions also. So it is not possible to make some epics or stories specifically for each device. So when I'm doing testing and I found, okay, this issue was for Nexus version 5.2. So I can just, Nexus version 1.2. So if there is epic, if there is a label, it will give the name. If not, it will create a new label. So by this, what will happen, whenever I want to fetch the reports, I will just give this label. So whatever issue in which this label is tagged with this label will show up. So it is mainly used for searching of the issues. For example, if I put a label for iPhone 5, and when I'm searching for defects, so all those defects in which the label was iPhone 5, that is, the defect was for iPhone 5, will be listed. Drop files for attachment, if you want to attach any file. Issue blocks by, so it is regarding, let's for example, you want to develop a login functionality on a screen and you are blocked because the designs are not available yet. So what you can do, that this issue is blocked by with some another issue which says designing the login screen, because the designs are not available, so you cannot start coding. There can be some other cases, duplicates. For example, there were two testers testing an application. One of the tester has raised a defect and another tester has also raised the same defect. Now when developer is fixing those issues, he checks that he has already fixed the issues which were raised by tester 1. So what he will do, he will mark that issue as a duplicate of first issue. You can search issues here, right? Currently no issues are there, so it is not given, but give me add here. So you use and filter and you can select for issues. Assignee to whom you want to assign, you can assign to Vaibhav Gupta or you can assign to yourself only, assign to me. You want to link this epic and this sprint, in which sprint you want to do this. So the current sprint is sample to sprint. That of this sample scrum, sprint 2 is going, 1 has been closed. And you can click on create. Okay, so you can just open this here and you will see that a issue has been created. If you go to your Jira dashboard, you will find, now you see assigned to me, because the epic, this epic you have assigned it to yourself. So it is giving here. Also in the feeds, it is giving that app automator has created this epic. Similarly, you can create a defect. Let's say for this project only, I want to create a defect, that is a bug. And what is the summary? Forgot password, emails are not receiving. Okay. So you can give the summary, description, fixed version, in which version needs to be fixed, priority of the ticket, that it needs to be fixed right now or it is a blocker. So you can say it's of high, environment, like which environment it is of, attachment, and all those stuff issues, assignee, epic link, in which sprint you have found, which epic under it comes. Currently we have one epic, right, which was created, epic 1. So you can give all those details where you found this issue and you can click on create. Also you can check this box that is create info, and as soon as it is created, it will again reopen this pop-up. It's saying that the old issue has been created successfully and I want to now create a next issue. So just take a look. Yes, the issue has been created. Okay, and here you file this customs field that it says that we have to give project issue type. So you can use custom also. Like for example, I am saying here, let's say description. I am saying I don't want description. So you will see that description section has went off. I say that I want the description section, it has come. So depending upon my needs, I can configure it. It is done by the users. And these values, these customized values can be managed by the admin, that which field should be there. So this is how we can create our issues. If I refresh again my Jira account, you will see, oh, it is not showing because I will tell you, reported by me. I have reported that bug, but it is unassigned. So if I assign it to me, don't worry, we'll be covering this screen. I just want to show you here on the dashboard that this is the bug. There is a difference also. This was an epic and you can see the icon here. This was a bug, so it is showing in red. This is an identifier, the project identifier SSP, and it has given a name. So by this SSP you can easily recognize to which project it is, and this 25 represents the identifier. So this is how the epic can be created. If you have any issues or questions, you can just log on the QA feed and I will be very happy to resolve them. See, Jira, when you are learning Jira, don't think that after watching these videos you will be able to learn. It is a very easy tool. Create your account and try it yourself. Try creating feeds, try creating defects, try creating epics, link them, link the issues. So this way you will be able to learn much better. So practice these, please practice, create epics, create defects, assign some accounts, create developers, testers, and do one end-to-end sprint. Though we will be teaching here one end-to-end sprint, but still don't just watch, do practical sessions. I can teach this in some slides or take a snapshots and should have shown you, but I know that teaching practically will help you or clear all your queries and will make easy for you to do practicals at your end. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you.